So Street Fighter Market with a review of Skate and Go. First thing you will see is this. Put your tech decks in. Like that. I don't use it. So this is a tech deck I am using. It's called Skateboarding is Not a Crime. Blue tracks. Can be asked change your wheels. Okay. On the top you will see this. Ground rail. Plastic, but it is quite good. Uses a handle. See? Carrying it somewhere. Let's get this opened up. It ain't hard to open up. Oh god, sometimes. Okay. As you can see, the rail by you turns perfect, and you can grind across there. Quite easy to grind across. Next bit, spawn box. Is tech deck already written on it. As you can see below, got 4 sides. This is me on it. You can do yes, I was cooking. Right. And then you'll see that bit. It's like a ramp. It's got both sides. That side I just showed you. This side. Okay. And here, this floor is like a flat bit there, and then same there. On this bit, I'm going into that bit. As you can see by here. You can grind up both sides, or you could just go. Or you can try and get it from the fun box. Right, last but not least, well, just this little pipe. Right, it's good because you want to go up over it, back down, up, down. Side, and it turns around, so you could go, yeah, pretty good. Put all the up, go from the ramp up. There. Thanks for watching. Watch Fangoon 11's videos, and that's it. One last look at the tech deck, which I love. I use that tech deck all the time in my videos.